Goodbye, Korea. Sarange. See you, Philippines, in a while. Gusto ko dito sa Korea, very systematic, organized, yung from check-in to the immigration, papuntang gate. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Annyeonghaseyo. This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. And for today's video, dito tayo sa Seoul, Incheon Airport. And pauwi na tayo sa Pilipinas. Patapos na natin mag-check-in. So nagbukas yung counter 3 hours before our flight. And kung kayo guys ay magko-Korea, you can book your activities via Klook and use my promo code Dave Games, hotel and activities para maka-discount kayo. Okay? Ayan, check-in na guys. Nag-web check-in muna tayo. Kasi mas mabilis yung pila sa web check-in versus ayan, yung normal na check-in. Na dito na kayo mag-check-in. 17.5 kilos. This is going to the immigration. Sa check-in, yung hinanap lang naman sa atin ay passport. Nag-web check-in na kami kasi mas mahaba yung pila. As in, mas mahaba yung pila sa normal check-in na hindi web check-in. Dito talaga mag-check-in sa airport. So, yeah, ang passport lang. Wala na yung mga vaccination card. Ganyan. Kasi ano naman, hindi na naman pandemic yung COVID-19. And we have to fill out the e-travel form. Alright? Para pagdating sa Pilipinas, okay na tayo sa immigration room. So yung e-travel. Share ko lang guys, may mga tax refund na kiosk dito before the immigration. Ito yung immigration, no? Before entering the immigration, may ganitong monitor where you can see where you are. Ayan. And then your boarding gate. So, we will shuttle. Alright. Ayan yung nasa gitna. Tayo yung nasa 107 eh. Sempak yung flight natin. So, kailangan natin i-shuttle train for 15 minutes. So guys, be early na lang kayo ha. Like, 4 hours before I think is ideal. Kasi mahaba na yung pila. 3 hours before pa lang sa check-in. Nag-RX pala kami guys from Hongdae University Station. Kasi nag-stay kami guys sa Hongdae. So RX, gamitin lang yung Team Money Card, yung all-stop na train papunta dito sa airport. May vlog din ako about it. You can watch. And dito na tayo natulog sa airport guys. Kasi 6 AM yung check-in. I mean, 8 AM yung 8 AM yung boarding, yung flight natin. So, dito tayo natulog kagabi. Kaninang madaling araw. Ayan yung mga bawal sa check-in. Ayan, sa likod natin guys, automated na yung immigration. Like, scan lang ng passport and then fingerprints and then you're good to go. Doon tayo. Magsa-shuttle train tayo papunta sa ating gate. So, gusto ko dito sa Korea, very systematic, organized, yung from check-in to the immigration, papuntang gate. So, ma-experience natin ngayon yung train dito sa airport. So, di ba, may ganun sila. Pagpasok after immigration, may mga may mga luxury brands. Pwede na kayo mag-shopping dito. Here na yung shuttle train. Merong rest area talaga dito guys. Siyempre, feeling ko maisip nyo kung may mga kainan around the gate ng Sempak, which is 107. Yes po, dito sa may mga boarding gate ay may mga kainan. Sunrise is stunning. Ganda ng araw. Ganda ng weather. It's a nice day to be in Korea. It's time to board. It's, what time na? Around 8:50, 8:34. Yeah. So, ano yung Korea? Ano yung goodbye? Watch your head. Paano ba yung watch your head? Paano ko sasalamin watch your head?
Panaalin.
MLMB. Ano ba?
Hala, funny si Dave. Dave the comedian.
Mukhang tanga. We're about to leave, guys, for our flight dito. Sarang in Korea. See you again. Goodbye, Korea. Saranghe. See you, Philippines, in a while. See you. Nakapag-register na tayo sa e-travel, guys. Ano lang siya. Pwede niyong i-scan yung code dito. And then, let's proceed to the immigration. Alright, nakalagpas na tayo sa immigration. Apparently, wala nang stickers. I-email na lang. Sad naman. Di ba yung parang badge natin nakapag-travel tayo? Ay, pinapunta si Gatch sa counter. Anyway, ayun. Kukunin natin yung maleta natin. It's such a beautiful cherry blossoms adventure in Korea. From Seoul to Jeju. Grabe, napakaganda. It was a dream. Para siyang K-drama. Patay na sa K-drama na punong-puno ng bulaklak. Oh. Pero ganun, sana makabalik ulit tayo ng cherry blossom sa Korea. And I hope ipupush natin na makabalik ulit this year because I just love Korea. Yan yung country na babalik-balikan ko talaga. And panoorin nyo yung iba kong vlogs. Nasa YouTube channel ko lang. I hope maging helpful sa inyo. Kung kayo ay gustong bumaya sa Korea or kung gusto nyo lang ma-enjoy yung Korea. So this is Dave, the Korean Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye! Office tour. Office tour.
Almost same.
Almost same. Yeah, war flashbacks. I was here last year. I sat there and waited for Arno and Amilcar to come. And then I spoke. I spoke in that area. Right. Ooh, so no people anymore. So welcome to our office, guys. Nelson, Korea. Yeah. I sat here and then I spoke here. I introduced myself in Korean. Like, 안녕하세요, 여러분. Okay. Tour. So they are working right now. Okay.
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay.